And tomato with a steak. Dinner tonight, ready cooked. Potato. This is lamb. Pork, dami na to, oh. $31, 2 kilo. Ayan ang niluto ko. Oh, yung pork, oh, nakabili ako ng pork. Marami akong nabiling gulay. Mayroon akong kangkong. Masarap. Pork na may gulay. No, I just give you the pork. Inom tayo ng Burn the Bird. This is prawns. Dinner time prawns and rice. Kangkong, okra. Eat masarap. Yummy. So prawns, ducks, just put garlic and ingredients, olive oil, vinegar. Barramundi fish. Gonna cook. So that's the dinner for tonight. Hello, hotdog.